Hello everyone, welcome to our CooVox T-Series IP-PBX tutorial. In this episode, I will introduce the time conditions feature, including the time rule settings, weekdays settings and holidays settings. Weekdays setting is used to set the company weekdays and the business hours during each weekday. Unspecified days and time durations are all non-business time. Holiday setting is used to specify holidays out of the weekdays as non-business time. The time rule can allow you to set where the inbound calls go at business time and non-business time. Next, let me show you how to set it up. First, you need to go to the telephony inbound control time conditions. Click the Add button at weekdays to set specific business time. For example, I can set the business hours from Monday to Friday from 9 to 18 o'clock, and click the plus sign on the right to add it. And then you can set the non-business time in the holiday setting. Click the Add button and set a specific date and time. Here I set a period of time as a holiday. Finally, you can add weekdays and holidays settings in the time rule settings. Select the destination of inbound calls on business days and non-business days. For example, I set it to go to IV or during working hours, and to voicemail during non-working hours and holidays. Click Submit to save settings.